Well, two of the accused in the Hillary Gardee murder case will begin their bid for bail in the Nelspruit Magistrate's Court this morning. Yesterday, during the bail application of the third accused, the investigating officer testified that all three men were overheard by inmates plotting to kill a witness in this case. Sipho Mkhatshwa, Philemon, Lukhele and Gama were arrested back in May, just a few days after Gardee's body was found dumped near Sabie. The state is opposing the bail application of all accused. Let's get you an update now with Newzroom Afrika's Zikhona Tshona, who joins us live from Nelspruit this morning. In fact, Zikhona, you're outside the guest house that is so central to this case.
Indeed, Michelle, we are outside Insika Guest House, which is owned by accused number 2 in this matter, Philemon Lukhele, one of the ones who will be applying for bail today. Yesterday, we heard from the investigating officer in this case who testified that Sipho Mkhatshwa, whose bail application was heard by the court yesterday, led police to a room in this guest house that had bloodstains. So we're expecting the two accused to be in court this morning from around 9 o'clock. That is Philemon Lukhele as well as Gama. As you've mentioned, the state is opposing the release on bail of all three accused in this matter. One of the reasons it's given is that it may incite public violence, because we've seen over the past court appearances of all three accused, we've seen people protesting outside court. But the other reason that it said it's opposing the release of bail of all three accused is that it cannot guarantee the safety of witnesses in this matter. The investigating officer yesterday testifying that all three accused were overheard by inmates in jail plotting to kill at least one of the witnesses in this matter. The investigating officer telling the court that two of those witnesses are known by Sipho Mkhatshwa, and they in fact live in the same area that he is from. The investigating officer saying that should Sipho Mkhatshwa at least be released on bail, it will make it easier for him to orchestrate a killing of those accused. In fact, the investigating officer was very clear in saying that should Sipho Mkhatshwa be released on bail, he could kill the witnesses in this case. So today, that was Sipho Mkhatshwa's bail application yesterday. It's now been postponed to Friday for arguments. Today, we're hearing the bail application of those two accused, Philemon Lukhele as well as Gama.
Zikhona, what about the argument by the defense that bail really can't be refused, given that there is no DNA or cell phone evidence? Does that hold any water?
Look, the defense has been very clear in wanting concrete evidence from the state. Is the state ready for trial, and what evidence has the state been able to gather with all this time that has passed since since Hillary Gardee's body was found in May? The state, as you've mentioned, does not have cell phone records, for example. No DNA has been concluded in this matter. What was mentioned in court by the investigating officer is that there is CCTV footage, but the investigating officer himself told the court that he has not viewed that CCTV footage. That CCTV footage is currently with the Hawks. The defense then saying, why are you holding our clients, or why are you keeping our clients in jail if your investigation does not seem to be watertight? The defense rather is very clear in saying that the state does not seem to have a strong case yet, and does not seem to have enough proof and evidence that it is ready to go to trial in this matter. So it's very clear in saying that then release my client in the case of Sipho Mkhatshwa, for example, because he has an address in South Africa. He's got 5 children in South Africa. He's trying to fight for his job back after he lost it following his arrest. He's got a wife in South Africa, so he's got every good reason to not evade trial. So yesterday, Sipho Mkhatshwa's lawyer was saying the state is not ready. There is no evidence against, or concrete evidence rather, against his clients. So then release my client, don't hold him in jail while you investigate. The investigating officer told the court yesterday that the state needs at least 2 more months to conclude its investigation into this matter.
Sure. You'll keep us up to speed as that case proceeds in the Nelspruit Magistrates Court. Zikhona, Tshona, live to us there from Bombela. Thanks very much indeed.